Hey Foodizens, it's your girl TK and I'm back and let's cook dinner. So tonight we're going to be having beef stroganoff, but not traditional beef stroganoff. As you can see, I'm starting off with some ground beef, and beef stroganoff traditionally is made with, I believe, sirloin or basically thin sliced beef. So this is actually going to be more of a homemade version of Hamburger Helper. Look, don't judge me, but I know y'all remember Hamburger Helper from back in the day. There was a stroganoff version, there was a cheesy beefy mac or something like that, and then the lasagna. That's basically what this is. This recipe was pretty easy to make and it comes together rather quickly. I was kind of worried that, it was going to be kind of a daunting task, but it wasn't. So I started with my ground beef and I'm sauteing my onions and mushrooms, and here I'm using Better Than Bouillon. I didn't have any beef stock, but if you have Better Than Bouillon or bouillon cubes and just add some water, that works just as well. So I'm just getting that stirred in there, and I'm going to be adding a little bit of flour mixture in a second. So I wanted to get it thick, so I'm not going to just dump some flour in there and have like clumps of flour. So basically I took some of the juice, liquid, whatever, sorry, how unprofessional of me, and mixed it with a little flour, made a paste, and then I whisked it in there slowly bit by bit to thicken it up some. But yeah, as I was saying, this recipe comes together pretty quickly and rather easily. As long as you have everything prepared, it comes together in a good 30 minutes or so. So I have altogether I used about a half a cup of sour cream, and what I'm doing is taking some of the gravy from the stroganoff and I'm adding some to the sour cream to temper it, because I don't want to add it directly to the dish and have the sour cream curdle. Then I have chunks of sour cream. It's just gross. Okay, so that's basically what I did there. Adding in the hamburger, and y'all, we're pretty much just about done. We're in the home stretch. All right, so just stir it up really good. And this recipe was really easy, adding a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. And honestly, it didn't even require a lot of seasoning. That's another good thing about this recipe. Really, you could just salt and pepper. I normally do not cook with just salt and pepper, but this is the recipe for that. So I've got some buttered noodles here, and like I said, this is kind of the version, a more modern version of Hamburger Helper. I just decided to deconstruct it by having the noodles separate instead of stirring the noodles in. But y'all, this was so good. It was really quick. You can have this on the table in 30 minutes, like I said. Really delicious, and it's better than Hamburger Helper. You know what's going in there, and it tastes amazing. Your family will love it. So I thank you for joining me. I hope you give this recipe a try. And until next time, take care.